Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Nses 500 Netflix fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and on the search bar simply type in downdetector.com. And now once you are in this homepage, check to see if the Netflix server is running properly or not. Sometimes if the server is down, that might be causing the issue that you are facing. If the server hasn't caused any issue, then what you can do is just open up your settings app and then tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage, and now here once it loads, scroll down and then tap on Netflix, then tap on offload app and then tap on offload app. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that's present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once this is done, go back and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is open up your app store and on the search bar simply type in Netflix, and once it loads, tap on Netflix and check to see if the app is up to date or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just a simple update might fix the issue. And once you are done with that, check it and try again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.